So today we have some of the Moj Moj Squishy blind bags.
Yes.
Thank you so much to MGA Entertainment for sending these to us, right guys?
Thank you.
And we love squishies on our channel, so we were so excited to get these. You guys ready to open them?
Yes. Let's see if it just pop out the air of them.
I think there's like 95 to collect.
That says on the back.
Right?
I think
cool. That's a lot. Oh, there's 2 in each bag, I think, too. Cool.
That's pretty cool.
Wow.
Should we ask any questions about these?
That's awesome.
Okay, there's rare and then there's ultra rare.
Yeah.
So the pink star is rare, and then the diamond blue one is ultra rare. So, let's see. Oh my god, they are so squishy.
Are they?
They're not like
wow, look at that.
They're like rubber. That's what they are. They're rubber.
Oh, that's cool.
Okay, here's the one I got.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah, this is one's a common, but still cool though. They're cool feeling. This one's harder to stretch because she has a different one.
Wow, look at those guys.
Next one.
Oh, how cute.
I don't know what that one is. What is this? It's so cute.
Was your other one a common too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't tell what this one is. I think it's C112.
Does it have a name or something?
No, it has numbers.
They're cute.
Man, it's another common, but they're so cute.
They are so cute.
Here's the thing. The ultra rares are like unicorns.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
And then there's, yeah, the ultra rares are unicorns.
They feel so nice.
Neat.
It's like dough.
Yeah, I want that ultra rare.
All right.
I want at least a rare.
Here's the first one I got.
Now there's different categories. There's like adventure seekers, party animals, couch potatoes, happy campers, sunbathers, and daydreamers.
This one's a sunbather.
And I think the one you have is a daydreamer.
Oh! Right there, it's a rare!
Oh, you got a rare?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Wait, are you sure? Look. There's one that exactly looks like it.
Yeah, there's a couple that look really similar.
I think some of them are like see-through or something.
Oh, that's why. Okay.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi. All right. Next one I get.
No, we didn't get any rares or ultra rares yet.
Well, they're
Got
really.
commons, but they are super cute.
I got this yellow cat. Bones? Wait, let me see which one that is. There's no yellow on it, is there?
No.
See if you find mine.
This is one I got.
Can you squish that one?
I just stretch it.
It's like a marshmallow.
It's exactly this one, but a different color.
They're cute.
Look. We're just looking around for each and every one.
I think I got a rare.
Where do you see this?
Yeah, but is it iridescent, like see-through, or?
No, there's ones that are rare and they're not iridescent.
It'd be this one.
Yeah. Yeah, I think that's a rare. We got ourselves a rare.
Oh, you got a rare. Awesome.
Next one.
See what he gets.
Oh, it's gonna see through.
You boy do.
Go.
What the? It was a duplicate anyway. Go on to this one.
Okay.
It's kind of like a see-through one, so.
You're gonna make holes in them. Oh my god, it's not slime.
I want slime!
Oh, look there.
Let me see. What is it? Wait, what is this thing? Wait. What is it?
Just picture a bear like a slipper.
A bear like a slipper?
Maybe it's this one. Yep, another rare for me.
Oh, wait.
Wow, another rare? Nice.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, I know these are all super cute. Do you have a favorite?
Yes. This one.
This one.
I'm cuter though.
Tell in the comments down below which is your favorite too.
And thank you again to MGA Entertainment for sending these to us, right guys?
Thank you. Until next time, guys. Bye.
Wow.
You wouldn't hurt me, would you? It's too cute to hurt. Bye.
Bye.